me. I'm back again with another video for you guys. So it's been raining quite a bit in Singapore. I don't know whether if you guys know or may not know, I live in Singapore, so it's pretty humid all the time over here. But during this time of period, it started to rain and cool down a little bit, so I decided to actually compile a rainy day outfits or lookbook for you guys. So in this video, I'll be styling more of my knitted sweaters and cardigans because I have quite a bit of them and I love wearing them, even though it's not practical to use it like daily lives. But I don't know, I just love them, so I keep on repurchasing them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my second lookbook, and be sure to comment if you have some ideas for me to style next. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to me if you want more of my videos. So bye! Alright guys, time for the details. For my first look, my hair is in a low side ponytail, and my shirt, I got it from Cotton On, which is a white boyfriend shirt, which I buttoned all the way up and added a gold necklace. For my jeans, I'm wearing Pull & Bear, it's just a normal skinny jeans. My shoes are from Converse, and my grey bag is a gift that I got from a friend. I got my olive knitted cardigan by a shop in Bugis Street, which was such a bargain, and my ring is from Tassel & Co, which is a local store in Singapore.
And you asked me to stay over, I said I already told you, I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know, 'cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed, but I wanna stay with you until we're grown old.
For my second look, my hair is just straight down, and my clear specs, I got it from Bangkok. The shirt I'm wearing right now is actually from H&M, and as well as with my long denim skirt, I got it from Bangkok as well. And to add a bit of contrast, I put a white belt in between those two. My bag is from Kate Spade.
You make me feel this way somehow.
My move shoes is by Rubi. To finish it all up, I added my tan knitted cardigan by Zara to complete the look. So for my third look, it's a little bit sporty. I wore my greyish long sleeve knitted sweater, which I bought from H&M, and I paired it up with some yoga pants or tights. My pattern tights are from Cotton On, and my tote bag, I bought it online from a shop in Carousell, and I wore my grey Flyknits along to finish off the look. Since my sweater is a deep V cut in the front, I decided to actually put some black pashmina scarf around my neck just for a little bit of coverage.
Smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know. So I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're grown old.
So for my last look, I decided to wear all black. So my hair is let down as usual, and my specs is from a flea market. This necklace I bought it from Converse, and this top I got from Cotton On. My knitted cardigan I got it from Bugis Street, and my jeans are from Forever 21, which I ripped them out by myself. To complete the look, I wore a cute socks I bought from Korea and my Dr. Martens as well. And my bag is from Kate Spade.